So welcome back. This is what I've been doing today. As you can see, the Abiaska is the outside of it is done all the way around, including that there, and the cross members are in as well. What happens now is that's only, if you can look here, this is only the first two. Now there has to be two more pieces put in there and they'll be built up. So all this is it's just the outside frame, if you like. Okay, some of it's inside, but you know what I mean, it's the outside frame. All along I've got, on the centres I've got nitki, a line running, wait, someone's wandering off here, a line running across, and to keep it straight. If you look down here, we have a nice straight line, and there's a nitki running all the way down there in the centre, and that's all the way across. I've got that. The diagonals are bang on, and it comes out just a little bit proud of that there. So we're still on the Golovka. So the plan now is to tomorrow is to do the inside pieces, and I'll show you how these joints go. It's very simple, but I'll show you how the joints go. And once the joints are on, once it's completed, then go along and just lift up a little bit on each pile and put a piece of roofing felt on there, and then secure it with a bolt, and that'll be it, finished. So yeah, a lot of work on me on today, but quite satisfied with the result. It's very good. I'll just show you the level here I'm getting across the whole thing. I'm getting bang on dead centre there. And it doesn't matter where you go on this, it's all bang on. Another one further down, it's all bang on. Well, I cut the piles obviously, so we know that they're correct. There's another one. So it doesn't matter where you go on this, it's all level, which is a big bonus. So yeah, and even you can go that way as well, I suppose. Have a look that way. There we go. You can see that. Up there, bang on level there as well. So we're level across the whole thing. So it's just a case of getting the inside done, and then some of these boards are a bit bent,